everyone, welcome back in 2019. I hope you all had a very nice holidays and a very nice Christmas and Happy New Year. I spent so much time with my family and friends, and now I am back in my workshop finally, and the first thing that I'm going to do is fixing my 777. And to remind you of what happened to the 777, it had a very bad landing. I broke the main landing gear and the flap, and the nose gear was also damaged, so we have to repair everything. And of course I got requests from many of you to show you or to make a video and show you how I'm going to repair the airplane. So here we are, and there is a new project that I'm going to announce at the end of this video, so keep watching. Before I start, I would like to say something. I'm sure you know that making these videos and building such big projects costs a lot of money, really sometimes costs a lot of money. And I get so many questions like, where do you finance your projects? Well, everything from YouTube, from Patreon, and from my affiliate links, everything comes back to my workshop to buy these parts, materials, tools, and like cameras. It's also part of my tools, cameras, to make the videos for you guys. And I'm so thankful for my Patreons, but the thing is, I'm still at the first step, which is still nothing. It's still not enough to cover all the costs on making those projects. So it would be so lovely from you if you can like support me in Patreon. And of course, if you cannot pledge money in there, I have my affiliate links. Anything you buy your personal stuff, it will cost you nothing extra, the same cost for you, nothing new will be, it's the same, but I get a percentage, so it's also support. Please consider supporting. Thank you very much, and now let's get back to work, or let's get started. This is actually not bad. This is 8 millimeters. If I can just reinforce it with some carbon fiber. You see here, this is everything holding it, plus this piece of wood in here, so yeah, just snapped off. And that's the servo for the flap. It was just off, it was not glued. That's why we had this flap issue, because the servo was not intact, of course. This is carbon fiber plus fiberglass together. It's a bit cheaper than buying the whole carbon fiber cloth. This is a bit cheaper, but it's also really strong, very strong. Yeah, this is 160 grams, so that's good. You see how it's bent, and the other one on the other wing is even more, it's bent more. Well, I bought these retracts. I don't want to mention the website. They wrote it's made for models up to 25 kilograms, which should be suitable for my 777. but I saw on other websites that it's the same kind of retracts and they are the same price, so it means it's the same retracts, and they wrote there that they are made for motors up to 10 kilograms. That means I was fooled. But I mean, these, they were really expensive, and if I would buy something heavy duty for my 777, this would be up to $500-600 minimum. Doesn't look so beautiful, but at least it's really strong, 1,000 times stronger than before, with all of this carbon fiber.
I'm so fed up of the lies that my heart believed in, but staring deep into your eyes makes it all forgiven. I feel my comfort will be blown, my fears will grow out of control. Yeah, you still walk the path I follow anyways. I'm in love with the way that you hold me when I fall back down, and I'm in love with the words from your voice that put me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming.
First wing is done. The second wing is have to wait more, and now it's time to repair the nose gear, and this door broken. So let's get the fuselage down. Want to see how dirty? I don't take care of my stuff. This is the servo, it's a big servo for the tilting, for the extra 20 or 30 degrees. It's broken, and the main shaft is also bent. Yep. Looks like we have to take everything out. Let's try to open it first.
I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. The future needed clarity,
Wait.
so I could see how you react, how you react to me.
Now adding the epoxy inside is a challenge. I added one layer and one in the middle here, 2 layers of fiberglass, just to strengthen the base, all of it, because it's after that impact, I think, so it will do good.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, remember the start. When my future needed clarity, yes I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different.
They will never break now. Perfectly secured.
I see my fortune. When you react to me, we are reacting. So much differently.
That was close.
My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, I am different.
So now I have a screw in here to secure or to lock the tilt, and now I don't have to be worried about the wheels going crazy like this and blocking the door from closing. Now it's perfect. Okay, the airplane is assembled without the tail, of course. I don't have enough space for it, but I don't care. I just want to see if the retracts are really working perfectly. And yeah, so let's test everything.
Gear up. Gear down.
Let's go try the nose gear.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Very good. One more time.
Gear down.
I love the tint. Perfect. So, she's ready. And yeah, I will remove it and put it back in my workshop. This is not my workshop. This is it's like a room outside my workshop. It's for the building. I wanted to get this one, but they did not know this for our storage. Anyway, my next project. My next project. So the next project is going to be the 787-9, the Dreamliner. It was your choice, guys. I wanted to engage, or like to let my the community, the audience choose, and looks like most of you love the Dreamliner. I mean, I love the Dreamliner too. So the Dreamliner won around 70% of all the votes, and I mean, I wanted the A350 to win, because I wanted to have an Airbus, not just Boeing. But it's also cool. Now I will have the 777-9X, the 737, and the Dreamliner. That's a great collection. And yeah, so the Dreamliner next. For the livery, I am still not sure which one. Maybe I'm thinking of Etihad Airways, the new livery. It's so beautiful, but it is so hard, especially for me, because I don't use paint. I use this vinyl and stickers. And yeah, I hope I can find the exact colors on vinyl. So let's see, but I'm still not sure if it's going to be Etihad or not. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the Dreamliner I will upload the first part hopefully in 2 weeks, and the build series is going to be, I don't know how many bars, maybe 4 or 5. I don't want to make it really long, and that means I will be busy from now on, and I'm really excited to start. Yeah, the Dreamliner is going to be 1:20 scale. That means it will be the same scale of my 777 and the 737, so that will be great. They are all the same scale, like real life size. And the Dreamliner is it's smaller, a bit smaller from the 777-9X, and that means it would have around 3 meters wingspan. And of course, everything I build ends up really heavy. So I have 90 millimeters EDFs in here. I'm sure they won't be enough. Anyway, guys, please consider supporting my channel on Patreon. There I post pictures, behind the scene videos, stuff you don't see anywhere else except on Patreon. And also you can support me through my affiliate links, all the links in the video description. Thank you very much. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any video of my upcoming build videos, because you don't want to miss the Dreamliner being built. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. I do this.